So, what came first? The chicken or the egg? According to the Bible, the chicken came before the egg. If you pick up a Bible and flip to Genesis 1 verses 20 to 22, you'll find the following, "And God said, Let the waters swarm with swarms of living creatures, and let birds fly above the earth across the expanse of the heavens." So God created the great sea creatures, and every living creature that moves, with which the waters swarm, according to their kinds, and every winged bird according to its kind. And God saw that it was good. And God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply and fill the waters in the seas, and let birds multiply on the earth."